People, what's up? Hey, we are done. Let's flip this camera around. Let's give y'all a tour. Look at there, y'all. The bank cart that I have made. They're on the front. I got my rod holders mounted and the holes going through. I can slide a little screw through there so the rods, they won't go all the way down to the ground and when I'm in transportation. Old bicycle rims I got off Facebook Marketplace. Old crates I found at the dumpster. All of the tubing is off of a set of crutches. PVC pipe and stuff. A lot of it I had laying around. Most of the hardware, screws, bolts, nuts, all that stuff. Washers I had to buy because I just didn't have certain sizes and wing nuts and stuff. Most all the PVC pipe was just scrap I had laying around. Mounted this little light here. Y'all know that's where I mount my camera. It's magnetic back, and I got a magnetic back there on that. These turn 360 degrees. They go straight up in the air, straight down. You can take them off here, or you can unscrew it right here and also take it off. So you can dismount the whole entire light bar system when you want to go charging. So, you know, as y'all see, it unscrews. It's adjustable. Here was the legs on the crutches, so my light bar is adjustable. I can slide it all the way down, and when in transportation I unscrew it right here. Let's go ahead and do that. It's going. I can take it completely off. I can take that bar off, and I can also take it off there. So I've made it where I can take it apart easily. The camera bar unscrews. It unscrews, so both of these are gone. I can take them off when I'm in transportation, and then I can just get to my spot, simply screw it back on. Oh man, my handle here to pull it with, added that. Now that there's an extended bar. I've done that so that when I've got it parked, I just take and slide that bar down. It's a hole up under the crate right here where I can slide the bar up, get it out of the way when I'm pulling the cart. And when I get to wherever I want to fish, I can adjust it to these levels right here in case I'm on a little bit of a hillside or whatever not. I can adjust my cart to try to get it as level as I possibly can. And I've got some eye bolts to go through the bottom here so that when I drop this down, I can put a stake through the eye bolt and keep my cart from rolling away. Let's move on over here, y'all. And all these lights are rechargeable. They all serve as a charging bank plus a light, and they are area work lights. Now, we've got this here. This is old tackle box I had laying around, zip tied it on the top. Old flooring I had laying around from a previous job. Now, like I said, I've just got a bungee on that. And I've got that zip tied in the back there, so it's got a lid. The old flooring. These are all waterproof boxes so that I can store my chargers in them or whatever that I need to, so that they don't get wet. And I drilled a hole in the bottom of them so that I can put my charger boxes in there and run my wire or whatever not through, and I can run it up to whatever I need to charge, and I don't have to worry about taking it all out. I put this big eye bolt on the front so that I can fasten it down to my toolbox so it don't roll around in my truck bed when I'm rolling around, or I can just hook a padlock through it, you know, and if I need to run in and get me some cut bait, hey, I got it. I can lock it down. I don't have to worry about nobody running off with my cart. Moving around here. This is just a simple kitty litter container box. I've turned it into a live well, y'all. My aerator hose. And I'm about to trip over. Oh man, see here. Get the camera back right. And that's just the old bubbler, you know. Runs on old D-bolt batteries. It keeps my fish alive, as you know, while I'm on the bank. Whatever cut bait, live bait that I'm using, you know, I've got it. So, hey, slip this around. Oh, hey, so I hope y'all like a little cart I got going on here. You know, hey, I put a little bit of work into it. But like I said, if I had to say how much do I have totally invested in this, $20 tops. I got $20 tops invested in this. The lights I use, those are ones that I've used for work and I use for fishing. You know, pretty much everything that's here is stuff that has multiple uses. Those lights have became my primary fishing lights, and they're cheap. They're $19 at Walmart, and 2 of them will get me through a whole complete total night of fishing. And you see my videos, it's somewhat well lit up. I guess it could be a lot better. If I had to, you gotta spend a lot more money though to have a whole lot more light. So and I like them. They're very waterproof, they're very dependable, very durable. They got a charging bank on them, so there's plenty of charging banks on this thing. I don't never have to worry about running out of no charging, no power. Nothing should ever go dead, because I have some portable USB charger that I put on there. So hey, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Now we just need to get it to the bank, catch y'all some fish. Till then, tight lines. God bless. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe, hit like, follow the little bell wherever it's at. Hey, and check me out. TikTok, Forgotten Soul 76. Facebook, Catfishing Southwest Virginia. Bringing you to the bank spots all throughout Southwest Virginia region, from the Blue Ridge Mountains all the way out to the coast. We try to hit every little stream, creek, river, pond, lake, reservoir that we possibly can, and explain to you the baits that I'm using, where I'm fishing at, exactly where I'm fishing at, how I'm fishing, what I'm fishing for, be as explanatory as I possibly can, and hopefully it'll help you in some kind of way that you can go find that same spot and you can go catch them same fish. Till then, hats off to all y'all.